Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how Airalo works. It is the easiest way to stay connected with eSIMs while traveling. Now let's dive in. So Airalo is an app that lets you buy and use eSIMs for mobile data in over 200 countries. No physical SIM needed, just download, activate, and you're connected. Okay, so first of all, you need to download the Airalo app from the App Store or Google Play. This will be the place. The application is going to be the place where we buy and actually activate our eSIM. Next, choose your destination and pick a data plan. You'll see options for different countries or regions. After purchase, you'll get a eSIM QR code. And after that, go to your phone settings, find cellular, then add eSIM and scan the QR code. Also guys, keep in mind that you have to have a phone, the smartphone that actually supports eSIM, so the compatibility will vary. Mostly the budget or mid-range phones will not have this possibility, and the phones that are more into the expensive side will support eSIMs, like latest iPhones and other Android phones as well, like for example Google Pixel, etc. Once activated, switch your eSIM as your data line under settings. You can manage data usage through the Airalo app, top up when you need more data. Why should you choose Airalo and use it? It's cheaper than international roaming, there's no need to switch physical SIM cards, and it's super convenient, especially for frequent travelers. And that's it for this quick tutorial guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips, and safe travels to you. Thank you for watching.